Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to activate your Wise account. And to be honest, it's quite simple, because the first thing that you need to do definitely is create an account on Wise. Then after that, you need to fill in your account information, your personal information like your first name, second name, then fill in your address and then tell them what is your job. I created a video with how to create an account where I showed you the first steps. Then after that, what you need to do is you need to verify your account, because right here it says finish setup. Click on finish setup, scan a QR code, scan this with your mobile phone and do all these steps from your phone. You need to make a picture of your ID, send that and create a video of yourself, and then you did right here the ID verification. Then after that, what you need to do is put money on your account. So what you can do right here is do add money. And then right now what you can see, we want to add 100 euros, for example. Then we do confirm. Then right now, if you can see, we need to do our verification. But if you did that, you can go through the step directly to payment, and then you can do the payment. So you need to verify your account, create an account with your phone number and your personal details. And then after that, you can start transferring money with Wise. So this is what you need to know. Hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.